Hello student, my name is Sukumar. I hope you enjoyed my previous classes. Today I shall explain Wheatstone bridge principle. So what is the use of these principles? Let's is an unknown resistance and we have to find out the value of R. Okay, so how we can find the value of R? How you can measure it? So this is a simple circuit. It is sort of parallel circuit, okay, which I explained earlier classes. And connected with a voltage source V. This is P, Q, and this is my R resistance, which is unknown. And let's say this is X, which is variable basically. So what I told, P and Q is known and this is unknown, and X is variable, right? And if you add a galvanometer in here, what will happen? Galvanometer, that current will flow from here, let's say it's I, and it will be divided into two parts, I1 and I2. Now current will flow here. The direction of Ig can be changed, but some current will flow in these paths. Okay, A, C, and D. Now what I told you, these two resistance are known. So if you change this X, right, so what will happen? Since P and Q is constant and R is also constant, if you change this X, that Ig will be changes, right? You change this variable X until Ig is 0. Let's say S equal to S at Ig equal to 0. So if this Ig is 0, what does it mean? Ig equal to 0, what does it mean? It means the voltage between this point VAB equal to VAD. VAB equal to VAD. And similarly VBC equal to VDC. Okay, and this Ig is 0 means this current I1 will be same here also, and this is also I2. Now this is basically the conditions of Wheatstone bridge principles. So you are changing a resistance until this Ig becomes 0. Now if you calculate it VAB, so it will be I1P I2R, and this is I1Q, and this is I2S. Now divide these two equations, so it is coming P by Q is equal to R by S, and this is the principles of Wheatstone bridge. Okay. Now in exam you can get questions on Houston Bridge. So there can be two variant. The first variant is so try to give answer these questions, that is it possible to make this bridge balance by changing P and Q. So can you answer it? Is it possible? You want to make this here, I have changing only this x, right? Is it possible? We can make this bridge balance by changing P and Q. Answer is yes. So idea is you have to make this current IC is 0 and this R is unknown. So that can be achieved by changing any of this resistance PQ and X, right? Either all three or any two or any one. Okay, so there can be some twist in question in exams, so that you need to understand is. And another question is, second questions, if I add a resistance, let's say Rg with G in series, okay, so here G and Rg in series, so what will happen? Does Rg any impact what is the impact of Rg? Basically that Rg has no impact on these principles, because when Ig is 0, there is no current in this path, so there will be no effect of Rg on these principles. Okay, so you can just skip this Rg. Thank you very much for listening. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe my channel.